We have days when we are full of energy, where we can complete every goal we set, every task that is given to us. We have the power to change the world for the better. We have the power to complete every dream which we have ever had. Then we have days when we are feeling lethargic, listless, and we cannot even complete the tasks that are demanded or that are expected from us. We all have been there. In the past few months, I have been in this situation a lot, and I wondered what can be done in order to solve this problem. So here are the ways to overcome a terrible day. Number 1. Do not stress out yourself. See, you cannot control everything that happens around us, but what you can control is how you react towards it. So what I suggest to you is, rather than reacting to that particular situation, choose to respond. Number 2. Set a small goal and achieve it before the day ends. When you do this, you are making your mind feel good just by completing small tasks, because when you complete or accomplish anything, your body releases a chemical called dopamine, and when you do this, you feel good. So this is the feel good hormone to be injected when you accomplish any great thing. Number 3. Clean your room or surroundings. Whenever you are having a terrible day, the number one reason behind this might be because of your surroundings. If your surroundings are not clean, they are dirty, what you may get is a bad vibe. And when you get a bad vibe, it spoils your mood and thus making your day go even bad. So what I suggest, clean your room and you start feeling better. Number 4. Grab yourself your favorite meal. When we are unhappy, what we need is something to eat which makes us feel happy. In my case, I love chocolate, so I grab a chocolate whenever I'm unhappy or I'm feeling low. So what you can do is, if you are good at cooking, you can cook your favorite meal, or you can eat chocolate or anything that makes you feel good. Number 5. Number 5 is to call your friend and reach out to them. When you do this, you are letting go of your problems. And what I mean here is, don't describe all your problems to them. Just talk to them in the normal manner. I mean, just let your feelings express out rather than telling everything to them. Number 6. This is my favorite thing to do whenever I am having a rough day. Listen to music. If you are having a terrible day, listen to your favorite piece of music that makes you feel good, makes you feel energetic, or if you are in a mood of revenge, listen to some action songs or to songs which inspire you. I have created a playlist which will be linked down below, so you can check it out. Number 7. Drink lots of water. Staying hydrated increases the chance of you getting out to the bad day. Number 8. Grab yourself a book. Whenever you are having a bad day, the simple thing to do is grab yourself a book and start reading it. I do this all the time. Whenever I am having a rough day, I grab my book and I start reading it. I hope these were the things that can help you get out of your bad day. And most importantly, remember one thing. This is for a short period of time. Whenever you are going through any bad period, remember, this is only for the time being, and this time shall pass. Thank you.